Okay everyone, today I'm going to do a little something different. I am going to be doing flower loom knitting. I have my little kit here that I ordered, and I hope you enjoyed the video. So of course what you're going to need is your yarn, your scissors, a darning needle, and of course your kit. So I'll take it apart here. I really enjoy this loom knitting kit, but as you can see, it's got several different sizes, squares, you got your circles, but I'm going to be using this particular one right here. It's really easy to do. I just start out and I place it pretty much anywhere here, and I leave a good, probably 8 or 10 inch length here. And what I will do is I'll just kind of hold my finger here, and I will start back and forth, just going around your pegs. Kind of holding it on there as you go. Well, it's not wanting to cooperate with me. Just kind of go back and forth. Going around each peg. I go back and forth, and I'll pick up the next peg closest to the last one that I've encircled there. So it's kind of starting to look like it's fanning out there. Real easy. There's no rhyme or reason. I just keep going. Sometimes I push it on down there. I just keep going around and around. As you can see how I'm doing it there. Just keep going around. And see, you're gonna pull your yarn like straight ahead. That'll put you on your next loop or next peg. And just keep going around. I usually go around twice. Twice on each peg, and then after that I'll show you what I do. Right now I'm using Wal-mart's mainstay yarn, but you can use any yarn that you want to. I just like Wal-mart's mainstay. It's a pretty good yarn. Okay, now I'm around 2 times on each peg, and then what I found that was interesting was I'll go 2 pegs. And sometimes I'll go along and push it down. And just keep going. You can basically just guess at it. I push it down sometimes, and I'll keep going till I get it to where I feel like it's going to be a full kind of flower. Okay, yeah, I got it. And what I'll do then is I'll kind of grab it in the center like so, and I'll cut my thread several inches, and by doing that you are saving enough thread to where you can sew it onto your project, or enough yarn to sew it onto your project. So I just cut it, and then I keep a hold of it. Don't let go of it. And this can kind of be a little bit complicated, but if you don't hold it, it'll just pop off there. So I kind of get my thread in my hand like so. I don't know if you can see it. And I will thread my needle as best I can. Sometimes it's a little hard, but I usually get it done. There's several ways you can do it. Like I said, it's a little complicated. But I got it through there. Okay. And then I'm going to just go down through your project. Okay, so I went down. Now I'm gonna go on the like I went down through here, and then I'm gonna come over here and come back up through there to kind of get the center sewed in. And I'll go back down through again. Pull it tight. Come back up through basically about the same place. Keep going down through. I actually could have left a whole lot more yarn on there if I'd really wanted to. If I end up using all of this yarn, then I can always just sew it on. But I just keep going down through there, kind of gathering the center of it together. Okay. Now, it's on there pretty tight now, so you can kind of, you know, let loose of it. And then I will take this other thread. I will thread my needle. And I will go in the opposite direction. As you see, I have kind of sewed it from this way to this way. Now I'm going to go from this way to this way. So I'll bring my needle up through and go down. Pull it tight. I will go up again. Go back down in. Pull it tight. I'll do it again. And pull it tight. Go back down and pull it tight again. And as you can see, I've pretty much got my center. Now I'll turn it over, remove my needle, and I will tie a knot. Tie it tight. Tie it tight again. And I'm going to leave this thread so I can sew it on my project. But then you just pop it off. And you have a pretty little flower. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.